Distinguished participants of the inaugural ceremony of World Alliance for Research and Conservation of Travertine Natural Heritage, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, allow me first of all to wish this conference a great success. Here, I have to greet several dear friends that we have been cooperating proudly with for many years. Professor Wu Ning and Professor Sun Geng from the Chengdu Institute of Biology of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, as well as our energetic Professor Anđelka Plenković-Moraj from the Faculty of Science of the University of Zagreb, recipient of the prestigious Tianfu Award for her contribution to our bilateral scientific cooperation and friendship. There are many good news regarding cooperation on countering and reversing climate change, protecting biodiversity, and overall preservation of our planet. This is our joint responsibility, and everyone can contribute. On biodiversity and climate change, European Union and the People's Republic of China recently launched a high-level environment and climate dialogue to pursue ambitious joint commitments. The EU recognized China as a global partner in preserving biodiversity, tackling climate change, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The EU encouraged China to be even more ambitious, and China responded accordingly. In May, China will be hosting the long-awaited UN Biodiversity Conference in Kunming that will set up the pace for the future tasks and global efforts. This event, that had to be postponed last year due to COVID-19 pandemics, will be a milestone for our cooperation and successful preservation of the future of mankind. In the field of scientific cooperation, Croatia and China share excellent experiences and many joint projects. There is a great enthusiasm and support from both sides to this objective. Let me mention a few. In 2014, the joint Croatia-China International Research Center for Ecological Environment Protection has been established. Our two famous national parks, often visited by our Chinese friends, Plitvice and Krka, partnered with two Chinese national parks renowned for their beauty, Zhujiego and Huanglong. Thanks to the long-standing cooperation between the Faculty of Science of the University of Zagreb and the Chengdu Institute of Biology of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, a new established joint laboratory on biodiversity and ecosystem services is a great example of international cooperation with high standards and accountability. I wish to this joint laboratory all the success in its future endeavors. I'm convinced that your discussion today will contribute to global cooperation on ecological issues that need to be addressed, as global awareness of how fragile our ecosystems are. In particular, Karst, what is your main theme, has been raised in the past years. Concrete actions need to take place now in order to protect our beautiful planet and all the life on it for future. Distinguished guests, participants, ladies and gentlemen, let the upcoming year of the ox bring us all health, prosperity, luck, and sense of normalcy that was so abruptly taken from us in 2020. I wish you all only the best. Chunje Kwaile Gongshi Fatsai.